Hello and welcome back to Mods. Today, uh, well, I'm gonna be showing you this, and that is a blaster I've been working on, which I call Cyber, and it's an integration on the Grass Snake by Big Tendis on Thingiverse, or Freedom Blast, as he's also called on other places. So I got his allowance to do this. So what it is, I've designed a pusher which goes on the side of the blaster, powered by an N20 motors. It's far from finished, but that's how long I've gotten so far. It's, what would I say? It's probably not going to be a very reliable blaster, but it's going to be a tiny full auto flywheel blaster, which I hope to be able to put in some voltage regulator in too, so you can control the speed of firing. I'm not sure if I will be able to complete it, but just a sneak peek on what I've been doing. It will have the same magwell, but I am not sure if it will be able to take katanas or talons or both, because of how it has to be changed internally for this to work, as I wanted to not make it too big while still gaining full auto. And then I just did some fun design really in Tinkercad for the nose. If you have any design ideas, or would you like to change anything to the design, you could just leave something in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.